justiciable yung issue eh. Kaya pwedeng i-take up talaga ng maaga ng Supreme Court.
Sir, could you share with us?
Kasi may mga issues na mga based on, let's say, controversy or issues na hindi tinatanggap ng Supreme Court. Kasi yung nga tinatawag nila hindi justiciable. Pero ito, justiciable yung issue na to.
Ang pwedeng questionin ay yung yung pagtawid from 19 to 20
Oo,
years.
makakatawid ba o hindi? Based on those two rules, both of the impeachment court, the rules of the Senate as an impeachment court, and the rules of the Senate as a legislative body.
Yung gusto nagsasabing hindi pwedeng tumawid ay rules of the Senate as legislative body.
Yes.
Because
Wala. Kasi nakalagay doon na pag-end ng Congress, end din eh. Kaya nga, adjourn sine die, which is without day.
Sir, sino ba pwede?
Hindi po legislative court yung sinasabi.
Correct. Oo, hindi nga eh. Kaya nga very controversial yung issue sapagkat ano yun, judicial work. Part of the work of the Senate as mandated by the Constitution.
Sir,
Kasi pinatitirang namin dalawa.
Sorry.
Continuing body.
Yes, correct. Meron talagang ganung thinking na continuing body yun. And it is an impeachment court. It is a judicial court, a judicial body at that point. Kaya nga, tama rin yung posisyon na yun. Talagang very, very, very controversial.
Sir, could you walk?
Kung ba nakakasama sa kampanya na magiging election issue impeachment?
I don't think it's going to be an election issue. Wala namang mga kandidatong involved sa impeachment eh. Hindi pa natin alam kung sino yung mga senador na mapapasok sa 20th Congress. So, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Sir, when you were watching the impeachment, did you see it as a good political move or a good?
I wasn't able to watch it, I'm sorry. I just found out that they...
When you learned about it, sir, did you
When I
think it was
learned
a good move?
No, I don't know. I have no comment on that matter. Whether it's good or bad.